Who are you? Why am I here? Such a ugly face. Where am I?
You are in Lord Homburg's palace.
What does he need from me?
I don't know. I have just been asked to monitor you.
How long am I supposed to be here?
I said, I don't know.
What else you know, stupid?
I said shut up!
I need an answer.
Shut up.
Answer my question.
I just said shut up.
Even I asked you to answer my question.
Shut up.
Answer my question.
Shut up.
Answer my question. I'm not going to shut up. I'm not going to shut up.
Please shut up.
Answer my question, then I will.
Shut up.
If you're not going to answer my question, I'm going to continue this. Answer my question.
Please shut up.
With your ugly mask and face,
At least please don't talk about my face.
answer my question.
Please shut up.
Go get your hat and or something.
What?